I got monetized on YouTube. I cannot touch the money. I cannot. It's just very complicated. I know most of the time I go MIA and I come back like I never left. Don't be angry. Anyways, hi guys, hi everyone. If you're new here, my name is Annie and I'm based in the United States. In today's video, it's just gonna be everything from going to church, going bowling, cooking. You guys, I got monetized. I know. I got monetized about 6 months ago in either July or August. Guess what? I cannot touch the money. I cannot touch my money, the money I have worked for. So yeah, I got monetized on YouTube. I'm supposed to cash out this time around, but I cannot. Because I am an F1 student, I am an international student here in the United States, and we are not allowed to make any kind of income unless you are no longer an F1 student. It's just very complicated and it's so annoying. First and first, I got monetized thanks to you guys. You made it possible. If not for you guys, I will not be anywhere close to, making videos or uploading anything, because you guys are my motivation, honestly. And let's just get right into this video. I don't want to think of the whole monetization thing, and I'll give you guys an update about that later in the year. But right now, let's just enjoy a day in my life. I'm running late, so I'll be dressing up for church. I will try to show you guys my outfit when I'm getting ready, but if not, see you guys when I see you. And this is the church. Okay, time to cook. I'm gonna be making milkshake because we're gonna have just milkshake for breakfast. Lots of food is already cooking and we don't want to fool our stomach. So yeah, this is my first time making milkshake, so I don't know how it's gonna be, but let's watch out. First milkshake done. Have you guys had okwa and abacha before?
They're going to have it today.
Yeah, I'll give you guys a review. So guys, I'm about to try this okwa and abacha and give you guys my review. My sister made this, so let's see. I'll give it 6.5.
Insult yourself.
I'll give it 6.5. Yeah, I'm not gonna learn the recipe. No, but I love it. Okay. You guys, I think I've forgotten how to make videos. I don't even know what I'm supposed to be saying anymore. Like, I think when you leave something, something is gonna leave you. Anyways, just like this video, comment, say something, motivate me, welcome me back, and yeah, so see you guys. Okay, done cooking, done eating, and The priest in my church, he's Nigerian, and he's the one we are going bowling with. I'll just quickly, dress up, put on a casual outfit. It's actually cold, so see you guys when I'm back. I'll see you guys in the bowling center. As I said, you guys, this is just a rough video, more like a comeback video, but I'm not prepared, so this is gonna be a very rough vlog. I'm just gonna be putting in everything I can, but yeah, see you guys there.
Okay.
That was fun. We know.
Winner, winner, Anita, winner.
You guys know me, winner. So that was my first time bowling. Even the person that taught me, I won him, but just with 1 mark shot, 1 point. So not that bad. See you guys next time. See you when I see you. Don't unsubscribe, or I'm still here for you guys. And if this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Promising consistency.